Hey everybody, we're here promoting an event on Saturday, June 22nd, an event that's going to be celebrating the life and legacy of Alma H. Powell. Although Alma Powell passed away in 1967 at the age of 61, her legacy very much lived on. In 1969, a $10,000 anonymous donation was given to the library to create a North Side library branch in memory of Alma Powell. The Friends of the Public Library were very much responsible for putting together the library itself. Another $8,000 donation was given by the Reverend Moses James. So in 1969, this is where the first Alma Powell Library began, in the basement of the Lincoln School. Just a few years after that, the second Alma Powell branch library opened up just down Burdick Street at 702 North Burdick. This location was the former location of the Van Avery drugstore. In 1963, the 17-year-old David Johnston, who was the president of the local youth branch of the NAACP, asked the Van Avery store for a job application. When he was denied, that sparked one of the greatest events in the Black freedom struggle in Kalamazoo for equal employment, turning the tides of employment discrimination where white businesses were not hiring black people. So in 1972, the second Alma Powell branch library opened up in this location as an official part of the library system, and the head librarian was named Roberta Cheney. Roberta Cheney was a forward-thinking progressive librarian who said that the library would be dictated by what the community wants. Roberta Cheney would be later named as Librarian of the Year by the Michigan Library Association. In 1984, the third Alma Powell Library branch was moved to a new location, this time on 1000 Patterson. This was where the Frederick Douglass Community Association already existed and where a new North Side Community Association was being built. So please come help us celebrate the life and legacy of Alma Powell, Saturday, June 22nd at the Alma Powell Library on 1000 West Patterson Street.